Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's now follow the steps to mint a new NFT. Let's create a new NFT for real. Not really for real, but we are going to use the testnet because at the moment the fees to create an NFT, the network fees that you need to pay to the Ethereum network are quite high. And for that reason, I'm going to use the testnet. So I hope you enjoyed this section, and you can also follow along and do by yourself. The best way to learn is to do. Full disclosure, this is a very fast evolving market, and by the time you watch this video, the steps may be slightly different. But I hope you can learn something with this. First step, make sure that you own the rights to tokenize the asset. You cannot tokenize something that you don't own, obviously. But if you are the creator or the owner of the asset, or you have the permission of the author to create the NFT, okay, go ahead and create the NFT. So first step, you need to prepare the asset. So make sure that you have the file of the image. If it is like a painting, make sure that you have the photography, make sure that you have all the assets to go ahead and tokenize it. You will need the source file and the JPEG or PNG file, or a GIF or GIF, whatever you prefer to call it, and you can have like a not so good quality file to upload to the marketplace, and then you need to have a high resolution, high quality file or source file to share with whoever is going to own in the future the NFT. So second, you need to select the marketplace that you are going to use to mint the NFT and to sell your NFT. You can use different marketplaces. You can use Rarible. In this case, we are going to go ahead and use OpenSea. It's very easy to use. So you also need to have MetaMask installed, the MetaMask wallet. It's an important step, and I assume that you already have MetaMask. Okay, now I'm going to change to one of the test networks, RingBuy, because I don't have enough money in my real wallet, and I don't want to spend like $100 US just to create an NFT, because we are just playing around a bit. If you want to follow along, you can also change to the RingBuy test network, and you can even click here buy to get some free fake Ether, okay, and play and help us to play around. So in OpenSea, you can see that we are already connected. He is detecting that we are connected with MetaMask to the RingBuy test network. So the MetaMask is using kind of the authentication, like the single sign-on for your for the marketplace. Then we can start creating. Okay, so you can click here, create, and let's start creating our fucking. Okay, yeah, I know the problem, because when I click here, we are in the main OpenSea website, right? And we need to switch to testnet OpenSea, obviously. Okay, now we switch to OpenSea testnet, as you can see here, and now I can create, and now it's going to be allow me to create the NFT. Okay, so I can use an existing collection or create a new one. I'm going to create a new collection, and I need to select a logo for my collection. Let me select a file. Okay, I want this to be my logo. I selected this file here to be my logo, and I'm going just to put something random here. My first collection. In description, I'm just going to leave it blank, create. This is just a collection, meaning that you can have multiple artworks or multiple tokens inside a collection. Okay, my first collection has been created. Now we can add items to our collection. So let's go ahead and add new items. So I'm going to click here, add a new item, and he is going to pop up my MetaMask wallet and ask me to sign with my private key, my wallet address. So I click sign. Okay, it's kind of to authenticate. Okay, now to create a new item, I need to upload a file. You have different file formats. JPEG, PNG, GIF, MP4, MP3, WAVE, and the maximum size is 100 megabytes. You can upload here the original file, or you can upload like a lower quality file for your NFT. Okay, let me see. So in this case, I'm going ahead here, and I want, let me show you. I want to upload, okay, I'm going to upload this one here. And let's say this is like a smaller quality file, okay? And I'm going to type here unblockchain. Unblockchain is the name of a book that I have published on the blockchain space. External link, I could put here like a link, a description. This is my new artwork NFT. You can put something here, and you can add some properties like a character, like name, and blockchain. You can add different properties for this file to help people searching for the file. You could add levels and different stats, and I can also put here unlockable content, and this is where Pinata comes into place. So I go to Pinata, and if I want to share, for example, a file, the source file or the high resolution file, the original file with the owner, with the new future owner of this NFT, I can put here on unlockable content. So this content can be only revealed by the owner of the item. So if someone's going to buy this item from me, it's going to be available to have access to this unlockable content. For this, I'm going to use Pinata. Pinata is the IPFS service, and I'm going to upload a new file. And the file that I'm going to upload, it's going to be the original, let's say, of this book cover. I'm going to upload in this case the JPEG. You could upload here really anything, okay? It can be your vector file or anything. And yeah, I'm going to click upload. It's very quick to upload, and it's going to create a new CID for this file. Okay, here we have, this is our CID. It's a hash of the file, and if I click here, it's going to open a URL, and the URL corresponds to this plus the CID hash of our file. Okay, so if you compare this here with this, is the same. So I can copy this link and put here as unlockable content. Okay, supply, we only have one. I go ahead and click create, and yeah, as easy as this, we have created a new NFT, a new item. Well, this is yet only created on the OpenSea. So I click here, visit, and I can see that I have here a new asset and blockchain, and now I can go ahead and sell it. So I click sell, and there are a couple of options to sell my NFT. I can sell at a set price, at a specific price, or I can sell it at the highest bid. Okay, so let me do highest bid. I want to do an auction, and I can put, for example, minimum bid is 1 or 1.1. No, apologies. So the minimum bid is 1 and the reserve price is 1.5, for example. And this auction is going to expire in 3 days. So in this case, this auction is going to be live for 3 days. And I click post your listing, and he's now posting our new auction. And any person in the network will be able to buy it. So he prompts the MetaMask wallet. Again, our MetaMask wallet could be connected to a hardware wallet. If you are dealing with valuable assets, please use the hardware wallet. I click sign. If this was the real, because I'm using the testnet, I'm not paying anything. But if I was using the real network, I'll be paying some gas fees, okay? And it will be a bit expensive. So here it is. It's now live. If I come to here and click browse, I will see my new NFT created, and people can actually bid for it. And oh, it's here. It's here. Okay. And people can bid for it or and buy it. So I hope you have enjoyed. In the next one, we are going to actually buy an NFT.